Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and you know what I have for you today. So without any further ado, let's see what it is. So yeah, this is for all you gamers, the mechanical keyboard that's in budget. So in the box, first of all, you get this user manual. Who reads this? I'm there for you. I will tell you everything. So this is the user manual. You just discard it. And then you get this key remover. Yes, you can remove this. You can remove your key with this and clean your keyboard. Such a good thing. And obviously you get the armrest that's included in the box. Yes. And the last but not the least is the keyboard itself. So, by the way, I forgot to tell you that we get this red sticker too. So if you want, you can stick there. Anyway, so let's talk what you get in this keyboard and let's see what are their features. So first of all, this is a RGB keyboard. Yeah, you heard it right. This is a RGB keyboard which is in your budget, I guess. So we have anti-ghosting keys. We have 24 different modes for RGB, and this is metal keyboard. Yeah, from bottom it's obviously plastic. From the upper side it's made up of metal, so it's a good thing. And obviously, as I said, we get anti-ghosting keys, and also there's an armrest included in the box. So let's see what's in the box and let's get started. So this is the keyboard. As you can see, this is built of metal from the above, and there's some plastic below. And you have, this keyboard is full 104 full size keyboard, so you can play GTA 5 without changing any key. Just 8246, that's what we use for flying a plane. And yeah, that's a full size keyboard, full RGB, and we have blue switch key. Yeah, I guess there's a brown switch also. I didn't found that, but today we have the blue switch. Let's move towards the keyboard. Yeah, so you wanna hear yeah, let's do that. So there you have this keyboard. What a great keyboard. पता है नहीं दिख रहा. So I wanted to show you this initial setup light. That's really good. So let's start this keyboard. And there you go. Look at that. Wow. That's nice. And there you go. We have the keyboard all lit up and ready to go. So before moving towards the mode, as you can see, these lights are permanent. We can't change the color of the light, but we can change the mode. Obviously we have 22 modes, and on the left we have green color. On the between we have orange and red combination. We have blue and then purple, and then on this side we have green. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, let me show you something around these arrow keys. So if you press function and up key, you can increase and vice versa decrease the brightness. And here you can see it shows the minimum and maximum level reach. So that's a good thing. And this left and right you can wait, I will show you. First for that I have to see. So the mode is activated. Yeah, now if I press the left key, it's moving slowly, and if I press the right key, now it's moving fast. So if you want to make it run like a horse, you can do it. So let me for now keep on medium level. That's it. And now let's start with the all 22 modes. Here you go. So this is our first mode, and now I will start changing the modes. And I will just shut up and you just watch the modes, all the 22 modes, and later we have something manual and just preset that I will show you later. So let's start with the modes, and there you go, starting with the first one. And there you go, that's the first one, and we are back again in the loop. So here we started from. I like the breathing mode, but this one is good too. So that were all the modes, 22 modes of them. And let me show you this. Yes, you can control this DJ. Those who want to be a DJ, yes, you can control the light and you are a DJ now. Okay, just kidding. So to control this, just function and insert. There you go. Now this will breathe. This will take oxygen. Sorry for the bad joke. Okay, so that's not the only thing you can do. You can press it again and it's off. So if you don't want to be a DJ, you can turn that off, and you know that's a scroll, so you can scroll it without the need of the light. So yes, that's one thing. And there we have only 3 modes, and then again it will come to life. Yeah, that's the thing. So yeah, moving towards this presets, we have gaming preset. Yes, we have 6 gaming presets and 2 manual presets. So there you go, I will show you one by one. So first one is, for that you have to press function and 1. There you have the gaming preset. You have WASD and arrow keys, and that's the one thing you have. Then again I will press function 2. There you have this on the left and this on the right side. Moving towards the third one, there you have this one. I will mention here what game modes are this. These are presets which also have a name, like for PUBG and all, so you can set that. Moving towards the next one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, and finally moving towards the last but not the least, the sixth one. So yeah, these are the presets we have. Then we have two more manual presets. Yes, two manual presets. So for that you have to press function, and this is my first manual preset which I have kept. So we have those function 9 for the manual preset, and we have one more that we can set two manual presets. For now I have only one, so same for the other one. So for setting a manual preset, you just have to press function, and so we have this 9 and 0. You can select first one I have already set, second one I will be setting, and then you record it by screen lock. So just press function manual key function screen lock, and as you can see it's blinking, so it's recording. So press the keys you want, like WASD, this. Oh, I would like to have spacebar too. So yeah, and once you are done, just press the function key. Oh, nice. You can turn it on off. So while recording you can deselect that too. You don't have to go back and do it all again. So once my recording is done, just press function and screen lock, and there you go, the preset is set. So how cool is that? You can set two presets of your own, and there you are good to go. So here you know what you can get in this price point. We get this such a good keyboard, that's a mechanical keyboard with blue switches, and then we have the braided cable, so that's a nice thing. And yeah, I haven't told you the price yet, I know. So the price of the keyboard will be around 2000 to 2500 depending on sale and whatnot, so the price may vary. For now the keyboard is for 2200 on Amazon, and I have purchased it from there. Yeah, there you go. I have told you the truth. I have told you the truth, boy. You can go and buy if you want to, or you can just watch the video again to enjoy the RGB lighting. So hope you guys to see in the next video. Stay tuned to the video, do subscribe, like, and don't forget to share the video.